back, heroes? This is Sub-Zero back in another video just for all of you guys. I just want to say, man, thank you guys so much. Like, this is unreal. Like, it is so unbelievable. We have just passed 19,000 subscribers, guys. We just passed 19,000 subscribers. It's all because of you guys. It's all because of all the support, the love, all the comments, all the subscriptions, all the likes, and helping me become a better YouTuber by telling me what I can do in my videos. And I really want you guys to know I take the time to really go through everyone's comments to see what you guys like, see what you guys don't like, and that way I can keep updating and refreshing my page and my channel to keep delivering and bringing you guys the content that you guys like. So a quick overview. This is phase 1 of the Subaru WRX STI build, my 2021. If you guys are new to the channel, thank you guys for coming. I recently just purchased this brand new 2021 STI. Like I said, I previously had a 2015 Subaru WRX, but we are going to be doing a full-on build. I want to make this into a authentic Japanese style build, initial D style. So it's all about hill climbs, it's all about canyon runs. Barris wide body kit. It's going to be a full-on suspension, full-on race suspension built for hill climb and canyon style runs. So quick overview on the mods that we already did. We have all the engine bay modifications that we did so far to the vehicle. We have the IAG AOS. We have the Koyorad radiator right here. We have the Grimmspeed engine bay dress ups that we did for the car. We also have the IAG engine mount and IAG transmission mount. We also have the Grimmspeed pitch stop mount in here. We also put the Grimmspeed hoses that go hand in hand with the Koyorad radiator in all of Grimmspeed parts. They fit to a T. Everything is perfect. So that's it for all the engine bay modifications that we did to the car. If you guys want to come over here and check out the interior, this is what we did the last few videos. We got the piano black and red dash trim right here. We got the red climate controls right here. We also went ahead and got these awesome trim interior pieces from Overland Designs. It is their red with the black stitching. And lastly, in the last video, we went ahead and installed these Braum racing seats on the car, and I have to say, I'm not sure if camera is doing it justice, but it looks absolutely fantastic. Almost forgot my favorite modification on the interior right here. I went ahead and got the Raceseng shifter with the Raceseng rear reverse lockout kit with the Karboy short throw shifter with the Whiteline positive shift and a U-joint for the shifter. And that's pretty much what we went over the last week or two with the car. And the first exterior modification we did on the car is actually these rear taillights, these Subispeed Evo taillights, which I absolutely love. And the next video that's going to be coming down the line is actually going to be a video talking about all the nice exterior modifications that you guys can do on a budget. So I have a few of those modifications coming. I have a few other parts coming, so we're going to do that video in another time. But let's get into the video. Now this video is going to be all about talking about these HKS Hipermax S coilovers that I got installed on this car. And I have to say, the ride height is perfect. Shout out to Yimmy Sport. I went to them. They were able to help me with the install, and they were able to help me get the car dialed in as far as the suspension and as far as the alignment that went on the car with the coilovers. I really want to get the car lined, so it's perfect. But yeah, man, these coilovers are really dope. And some of these modifications, I don't want to show the overall process just because that's going to take so much time. But ultimately, you're going to go ahead, you're going to unbolt this, you're going ahead under here and unbolt everything underneath. But I want to show you guys the quality of how they look, how they ride, and overall my thoughts on them. These HKS Hipermax S coilovers are about $1,900, $1,800, $2,000 after tax. So they are not cheap. But oh my gosh, I'm gonna get into my thoughts on the ride. I'm gonna get into how I feel about them, and just overall, they are just so good. Look at this fitment. Like, the fitment is perfect. We got it lined up, we got it dialed in. It's not too low. As you see, if you come here, you can put 2 fingers right here, 2.5. Not super low, but it's perfect to where it's gonna be performing. I just wanted to get the best height as far as performance. So all things that we're doing on this car, like I said, suspension, power, everything is all built on performance. Anyway, don't want to take too long of your guys' time. Let's get into the POV and the driving review of I have of these coilovers. If you guys should or should not get these coilovers and my overall thoughts on them. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams, make them reality. Let's have a great video. Let's get it. Peace.